In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clean up your Canvas dashboard and remove other classes. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Now, first things first, I do want to say your Canvas probably doesn't look exactly like this. Don't worry about that. The steps are the exact same. But if you do want your Canvas to look like this, we do have a video going over how you can customize it and make it look super cool. But enough of that. What you're going to want to do if you just want to remove a class and just clean up your dashboard a little bit is from your main dashboard, select on your courses on the left-hand sidebar. And from here, select all courses just like so. What you're going to want to do is find the class that you're trying to remove. In this case, I'm trying to get rid of this summer class right here because obviously it's the fall now. What you're going to want to do is actually just favorite all of the classes that you're currently taking and unfavorite one that you aren't taking. So this summer one that I'm not taking anymore, that's going to be unfavorited. Once you do that and you actually navigate back to your dashboard, that other class is going to be removed and you're only going to have your classes now. It's clean, it's simple, and it's way easier to stay organized like this. And now your dashboard is only going to show classes that actually matter, which should help you stay focused and hopefully pull better grades in class. If this video did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.